Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, we're going to learn about how you can easily download Coinbase app on your iPhone. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. In order to download Coinbase app on your iPhone, first, make sure that you're connected to a strong internet. Try switching between Wi-Fi or cellular and find the best network for yourself. Once you have it, tap open your app store. Soon after you open up your app store, go to the search box at the top and type in Coinbase in the search box. Tap on the search button in order to make your search and you'll be able to see the application displayed on the next page. If you tap on the app, you'll see further information about the particular application. To download the app on your iPhone, tap on the download button right beneath the application. Wait until the app gets downloaded and installed on your smartphone. Coinbase is an American company that operates a cryptocurrency exchange platform. With the application, you can easily buy, sell, and manage your digital currency right from your mobile devices. Tap on the open button in order to launch the app open after it is done with the download. That is how you can easily download Coinbase application on your iPhone. You'll be able to find the app in the app drawer and the application looks like this. That is how you can easily download Coinbase app on your iPhone. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.